Okay, let's try something different.
Yan, try naman po natin ito guys. Itong slam dunk roster, no? So, click natin guys. Yan, okay. Click natin okay. Then, click natin yung back. Okay, so let's go. Click natin yung play now. Quick game. Guys, away. Check natin. May show ko na nga ba? Yan guys, so kitang-kita nyo guys. So, may show ko na guys. So, yun, no? Show ko yan guys pag yan, okay. So, click natin yan guys. Yan, so kitang-kita nyo guys, so show ko high. Then, ang kalaban naman natin. Ito na, no? Ayan, Shoyo. Okay. Yan, Shoyo naman, okay. Yan, Shohoku High versus Shoyo High. Grabe, napaangas.
Now a chance to check out tonight.
Ryota Miyagi sa kay Satsu Mitsui. Kitang-kita nyo naman guys, diba? Angas nga guys. Yan na si Akagi. Takenori Akagi. Nakaider Okawa. Sa kasi yan na Michi Sakuragi. Let's go! Grabe, sobrang solid nito guys. Ang Shoyo. Shoyo naman ang Kenji Fujimasa. Kasi Yasugawa Kasushi. Ayun na, Hanaga Totoro yun na, diba? Angas. Yan si Nagano Mitsuri at saka Takamo Shuichi. Let's go guys. Sana natin to. Oops. Napuji mo yung bola. Uy, naagaw ni Ryota Miyagi. Let's go. Pasa mo yan. Oops.
And it's out of bounds. The Celtics will take it the other way.
Angas. Ako sa kanila yung bola guys.
And so it's Boston with it.
Defense tayo, defense. Oops. Box out.
Number 4.
Rebound. Nice one.
Boy, that's a surprising miss right there. He usually feasts on those.
Baka na Michi yan.
Number 10.
Oops, foul pa nga. Nice one.
In the act of shooting. Chance here now for a three-point play.
Kapol pa nga siya.
And you've also
Michi
got to love what a
Sakuragi.
forceful low post defender he is. If he blocks one of your shots, you remember it. He sends them into the
Oops,
stands
sunod
to
pa
make
nga.
a
Nice
point.
one.
On defense,
Sakagi.
the 76ers. It's a three-point game.
Uy. Box out ka dyan. Sakuragi.
Number
Uy.
8.
Rebound.
And misses it
This
off
one
the right
pass.
side of the rim. And about a minute gone here in the
Kay
first
Ryota.
quarter. Number 7.
Oops, tapal. Naku.
They're
Langanin.
running. Number 4. Lays it
Naku.
up and banks it in.
Ay, score po nga. Bawi tayo guys, bawi.
And it's the 76ers with the ball. Number 11.
You know?
One goes in as he is fouled.
Nice
Maybe 3
one,
points if he
Amos.
converts at the line.
The defense played him close on that one, but he just would not be
Hey,
denied.
lamang tayo
Aggressive
guys, lamang
move for
tayo.
the score.
Nandito kayo guys sa YouTube channel guys, click nyo yung subscribe. Kung nandito naman po kayo sa Facebook page, click nyo yung follow.
Here in the first quarter.
Look out, Steve.
Mabay pa nga,
Big-time
you know.
improvisation.
Hey! Grabe naman sila sir. Bawi Titan.
Number 4.
You know?
Gets in front of the rim and out.
And you know why he was open there. They didn't commit too much defense to him, and you can see why. He has trouble making that shot.
Down low. Number 5.
Uy!
Strong
Sumot
finish
pa
under
nga.
heavy pressure all over.
Naka-all na. Medyo, ano na to, medyo masama to.
Celtics on D. Swiped away.
Ako naman, nakalamang na sila guys.
Just up and
Bawi
in
tayo guys,
the
bawi.
Number 14.
You know?
And that's good for 2.
Na guys, all, let's go. Kaya pa to mahabol. Box out. Uy, mali.
I'll tell you what, the defender
Hirap kasi
didn't
umis
get a
ko,
sniff
napapol
on
agad
that
eh.
move to the hoop.
Timeout call, the 76ers.
Come out. Palit sila. Kaya mo sila magpalit. Tayo, ito pa rin.
And the
Same pa rin.
76ers making a change here. Number 6. And the 76ers get it back. Number 4.
Nice one.
And he drops that one in.
All na guys, all na. Laban
Read of
tayo.
where that miss was going, and
So,
that allowed him to be
napakaganda
the
nitong
first guy
gameplay na to,
to get
guys.
the putback.
And
You know,
here's the call
nag-foul
on
pa
Rudy
nga.
Gobert. That's his
Ito yung guys,
first
kung nandito tayo sa YouTube guys, click nyo
And the
lang po
76ers
yung
making a change here.
subscribe. At kung nandito naman po kayo sa may Facebook, click nyo lang po yung follow, okay? Angas na to guys. Yippee! Oops.
Number 9. Great look,
Uy.
but off the mark.
When he's wide open like that, he'll rarely miss those.
Yaso daw.
And it's
Uy,
good.
pumasok.
Up through contact, it's the
Galing
shot.
niya
He'll go to the
sila.
free throw line.
The defense left him just a little window to get through, and he just ducked in for the layup.
Kulang sa
Terrific
ano
job.
tayo, sa rebound. Ay makapagpadakdak ah. Uy! Sumabay. Grabe naman yung si ano.
With the shot. And the
Nice one.
76ers tack on 2 more.
Yun guys, so hanggang dito na lang po yung gameplay natin guys. Sa Slam Dunk roster no. So nandiyan po yung link guys sa may comment section kung gusto niyo po matanong kung paano ito i-download. No, so God bless po sa ating lahat at ingat
And
po
still
kayo.
a close game as the first quarter comes to a close.
Okay, let's try something different.